Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar gained further bullish traction and clears the resistance now of 70.45 to 65 as it now challenges the level of 70 this morning. It is assessed that from the break could see a little bit more of a gain and therefore look towards 70.80, but the main resistance still lies around 71.45 to 65. It is assessed that any advances at this stage does remain vulnerable because we can still see a sharp snap to the downside. So I'm not bullish at these levels, and I do expect to see a pullback to at least 70.30 very, very soon. Well, the market's gained further in terms of a weaker US dollar after the recent decline from posting a high of June 2017 of 97.64. The index is now trading at 97, and with the recent rebound off near 111.6080 has put a bit of a spell in the market. But I would give some caution that we're still 3 days inside this candle and therefore could see a sharp reaction to the downside. So I'm not overly bullish at these levels, and towards 113 I expect to see the market turn back to challenge the level of 111.6080. The dollar yen is attempting to try and recover after rebounding twice of 110.80. It is assessed that from the recent rebound it does give opportunity to shorten the market because I believe up towards 111.5570 too foul. Overall, the bearish implications from the indicators still support a move back to re-challenge 110.80 and target at 110.2025. A very, very strong reaction to the pound post a bullish outside range day after rejecting the level of 129.40 to 50. It is assessed that from the rejection and also the outside range day does need a little bit of confirmation. Do be aware that the spike this morning is a bit concerning. Nevertheless, we await confirmation to the bull case, and also not to forget, today is March the 12th, deal or no deal to Brexit, when Theresa May takes the vote back to Parliament House to see if it can be cleared. So keep an eye on that later today. Wrapping up with gold, and the fact is that the market still holds to its gains after recently defending the level of 12.80 to 82. I still expect to see further gains, with the risks out there still of US and China uncertainty on the tariffs, and also with the UK Brexit and other factors, and also not forgetting North Korea, is that safe haven demand should continue and spell up a move to 1,310, which I'm holding at the moment. Wrapping up with the oil, well, since the rejection of 54.95, further gains came back into the night, and also we are now closer to challenge the level of $58 a barrel. That's my objective, and see how we play from there. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the interest rate report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.